Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. And in this video we'll just be doing some rhinestone placement practice, and I'm starting off eating Subway from the 8th, and I tried putting on some tips and I hated how they looked. The PolyGel wasn't sticking good. I think my lamp is going bad. I have no idea. Once again, I need to stop using the cheap lamps at home and buy one with better quality. So this is the next day. I'm adding some Shein nail tips to the nails and starting over, and I'll be using a PolyGel that I honestly, it's not like some people might like it. It's very stiff wear, stiff in that PolyGel. I could not take it. I will again use it just for practice, but yeah, me no like it. I don't like it. I'll be sticking to my Beetles or Gay Oi, Guy. I don't know how you say it. Gaoy. That's my favorite, but I use that on my nails. So for the practice hand, I'll stick to the Beetles, and then I have another one, Rosalind. I'm gonna try that one next, but this one, if you like the tougher PolyGel, like if you want to fight for your life, make sure it don't move, which some people do. If you're moving around and stuff, you can go ahead and use it, but for me, I move a little too fast and I didn't like that. So, but here I'm prepping the nails, adding the nail tips, filing the nail, buffing the nail tips on the top so that the base coat can stick to the nails. let's be clear. That PolyGel took forever to lay. It took forever to dry. This is the next day, eating leftovers that I made the night before. That PolyGel took forever to lay, forever to dry. Some people like it. I've seen videos of people who like it, but it is not for me. Okay, I'm using a Young Nails cleanser. I mix it with water and I spray it on the nails to get that sticky layer off, and it still didn't help. Okay, that sticky layer was still there. I need to throw this away. I'm about to throw this away right now. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I threw that away. Okay, not that it was garbage, but it was not for me. And I've got my money's worth. This is like the third set I think I've done. And I always remember after I start, but I gotta finish what I start. So I go ahead and finish it. I hate it, bro. I hate it. I don't like it. Anyway, filing the gel. Drying, it took like 10 minutes for each nail to dry. I'm not exaggerating. I had to flip the hand over to get under because the top part would dry, and then right under closest to the nail would not dry. The same thing happened the last time I did my daughter's nails. So no, I'm not using it again. It might work for somebody else, maybe for an overlay, a thin layer, maybe that, but I already threw it away. It's too late now. Okay, so it took so many drill bits. It took 2.5 each nail to go ahead and get the shape correct, get all the lumps out. I used the file, a 80/80 grit hand file, to even out the shape of the nail. I'm saying it took forever. Never again. And I'm just showing all the decorations I'm using on the nail. I used caramel because I didn't want to have to polish the nail. So I'm just adding top coat on each nail before each decoration. Now this nail, if I had a bunch of smaller rhinestones, and if it was a press-on set or a customer or my nails, then I would do that. Here I'm just doing glitter to give the idea of the design that's going on here. It is I forgot the name of it, but you cover it up with the tiny rhinestones. I'm just using the glitter here, like I said, to give the effect. Less money. Sorry if you heard that car. Something going on across the street. Ambulance. It's so many of them. I don't know what's going on. I apologize. As far as rhinestone placement goes, sometimes I like to pull ideas out of my ASS, and sometimes I like to plan them out, especially if I'm running short on time or I would like to stay within a certain time frame. So more of the story is plan out your rhinestone placements to save yourself some time. Now if you're trying to get creative juices out and let things flow, then no, maybe in your drawing you can draw it out. If you want to do it on paper, I used to do that too, or on your iPad, draw it out, and that's your brainstorming and getting your creative juices flowing. But as far as customers go, doing your own nails, doing press-ons, whatever, have them already designed, and then pick out all your rhinestones and lay them out so that you just grabbing them. Stuff happens. It's never perfect, but it saves so much time. 10 to 30 minutes in my experience. I don't know about anybody else, but it has saved me 10 to 30 minutes overall. Maybe more than that, but for sure of me tracking it, 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, so boom, they're all done. Again, this is me spraying the Young Downs cleanser with the water mixture on top so that you can see the blinky blinkies going on, so you can see all the decorations. And my daughter said this is like a prom set. For me, I wear this every day. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.